now, y'all.
Hey Curlfriends! Welcome to another episode of FNHROCKS, and I'm your girl, Lavinia Latham. I'm showing you guys right now the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften Oil. They marketed it as a leave-in, but I don't really know if it really is a leave-in. I think it's more of an oil. So this is just a shot of my Twaid Outs, or my Twaids rather. A Twaid, for those of you who don't know, it's just a braid, and then the top half of your hair is a braid and the bottom half is a twist. So I installed about 8 of those, 4 on each side. I'm just doing a mini length check right now with my Twaids just to see where I am in terms of my length retention goals. So didn't really care too much about doing proper parts because of course this is coming right on out. So what you want to do, any oil works, it doesn't have to be the Camille Rose herbal tea. You want to make sure that you put it in your hands, make sure your hands are really well greased up, and then just start ever so slowly by, just unraveling those braids. So the bottom of the Twaid Out is coming out pretty nice. The definition is beautiful from here. I'm really happy with it. As I was pulling out the Twaids, I was thinking to myself that, this is feeling good. Like, you can tell that it's feeling good if the braids are kind of intact, the curls are intact, and you're not really having to, do too much by way of separation. Now, when it gets to the actual braid, girlfriend, this is where the issues are starting to come, because now I'm starting to get the, the frizzing. You see that movement right there where I kind of like pulled right through it? That just stole the definition. And in this moment, as I felt my hair kind of like start frizzing out, because you can feel it on your fingers. I don't know about you, but like I could just feel that this was starting to get more frizzy than defined. But I decided to continue because, we shall persevere, we shall overcome. So, I continued doing my thing. There was a little bit of knotting at the bottom, and that required me to kind of be really careful with my strands, because no style is worth losing your hair over. Like, if that's what it's gonna be about, then sis, like, literally, it ain't even worth it. So just, pulling it on out, trying to get some kind of a definition from it. I mean, the actual fluffiness of it, the actual body is good. I figured at this point that I would put a little bit more oil on my hands just to encourage the definition a bit further. So here I am making sure it's all in my hands. There's nothing missing. I'm not wearing the gloves that I like to wear with my styling, as a styling tool, or even anytime I do anything with my hair. I usually like to use gloves, but for whatever reason here I did not. Actually, now it came back to me. The reason I didn't use the gloves is because I decided to just go ahead and preserve those gloves for, of course, COVID-19. So still doing the same thing. You guys, if you're still watching, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit up that subscribe button if you're not part of the Curlfriend crew. And if you're enjoying this talk through tutorial for this Twaid Out, then definitely smash the like button, because that lets me know that you guys are enjoying the programming. That lets me know that you're having a good time, and that actually encourages me to keep on going. Also, while I've got your attention about all the fantastic things going on right here on FNHROCKS, wanted to thank everybody for joining me and Ms. Alelia Bundles on Wednesday, the Wednesday that just passed at the time of this premiere of this video. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for sharing, the promo materials, for really coming on out. You guys, you don't even know how full my heart is right now. Just knowing that you guys were there to support me and to really support the Curlfriend crew, period. Like, y'all showed up, so thank you for that. Just know, trust and believe that I see you, I feel you, and we're almost at 500 subscribers. Can you believe that? We are literally almost at 500 subscribers. And so for 500 subscribers, there's a pretty big giveaway coming. And I will give you a hint. There's going to be a little cash prize element to it too, because I love you guys so much and you guys have shown so much love my way. And, it's just my way of kind of giving back. So right now, I don't know how you guys feel about this. Like, what do you think? Let me know in the comment box below. this. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't think this is a Twaid Out. I think it's more like a frizz out, if anything. I mean, I will say my hair is really, it's really detangled, which is nice. But I don't think that this is what I personally would call a Twaid Out. It's just not. It really is not. Hey, girlfriends, so I'm back. This is not what I was going for. This Twaid Out is really not what I was going for. I feel like this is more of a throw out than anything else. Like, and you know what? I think I blame the products for this. There's very minimal definition. I'm just not getting anything that I was hoping for. I was hoping for more definition, less frizz. The frizz is good in the sense of it making the hair look really big, but in the sense of it being, you know, defined, it's not necessarily a good thing. So to achieve this throw out, I'm done calling it a Twaid Out because it's not a Twaid Out. I used this, the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In Hydrate. I used this as my leave-in conditioner in the shower on wash day. Then I went in with the Latte Define, and then I left that on my hair. I let it dry completely. So it's not a situation where it wasn't dried completely. I let it dry completely. And then I went in when I was removing the Twaid Outs. I used this right here. So this collection, these products, they don't give holds. I mean, I'm a little annoyed by that because this is called the Latte Define. And so when I hear define, I assume that it's gonna, define my curls, and it just doesn't. Even on the back, it says nutrient-rich styling cream crafted to hold and define. Well, curl friends, I don't have any definition here. Like, I have a little bit of definition, but I've definitely got more fro than anything else, which again is fine. It's just, it wasn't the look that I was going for. If you're liking this episode, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want me to retry this look with different products, also give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you wanna follow more of my natural hair chronicles, if you wanna learn more about how my natural hair highs and lows, how they might be able to perhaps assist you along your journey, then definitely feel free to go ahead and subscribe, and also to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as FNHROCKS. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I've ever spoken about right here on FNHROCKS, for the rest of this month of June, there's actually a promotion going on with Up North Naturals. You can go ahead and get 20% off on your entire cart using the code FNHROCKS. You can also go ahead and enjoy 10% off on beautycluboutlet.com/shop/FNHROCKS by using the code FNHROCKS. So 10% off at Beauty Club Outlet and also 20% off at Up North Naturals. And those are both companies that are both Black owned. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I think this was more of a fail than anything else. Chances are likely I'm just gonna throw it up in a puff and call it a day until my next wash day. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you so much. Go ahead and check out the last video, the Alelia Bundles, a Curl Chat Wednesday with her, where she talks about her great-great-grandmother, Madam C.J. Walker, the philanthropy, the political activism, all that great stuff. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this, definitely share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Mwah!